The reason that what I'm going to tell you is so important is because I have developmental special needs. So I made a platform for people with developmental special needs and physical disabilities to show off their talents. And that is your special talent.space. Grand cash prize of $300. Second place, $100. Third place and fourth place, $50 each. And then there are honorary mentions. Your special talent.space. Links in the description below. And you just submit a talent video and the way you do on YouTube, like this, so I can see everything, and submit it, and we will let you know by January 31st if you won or not. And we'll be making a pilot episode, hopefully making a whole series of your special talent. So if this is something that you want to be part of, and I've put in over a year's worth of work into this, then please submit as soon as you're ready, but before December 31st. That's our cutoff date, and don't have it be more than 8 minutes long. Thank you so much. Our judges are waiting to watch your talents.